Safety first, Udayam best. Udayam face mask இப்போது குழந்தைகளுக்கும்.
The IT department, the income tax department, has undertaken several reforms which in a normal era would have been remembered as a significant milestone. Last year, it brought down the corporate tax from 30 to 22% for all the manufacturing existing units. It also introduced 15% taxation for new manufacturing companies. It removed the dividend distribution tax. It also simplified the personal income tax structure and gave a complete framework of option with simplified and reduced tax structure for those who did not want exemptions or deductions. In other words, taxpayers were given a choice, an option. The Income Tax Department also provided the option for cooperatives to pay taxes at a concessional rate. So, in order to provide accountability, the department has also committed itself for providing document identification number, the DIN as we come to call it. And this is for all its communications. Without the DIN, the document identification number, a document emanating from the Income Tax Department shall be invalid. It also, therefore, provides traceability and authenticity to the communication of the department with its taxpayers. Pre-filled forms are also being provided to taxpayers so that the high-value financial transactions are recorded somewhere, and it enables the taxpayer to see those information visible upfront even as he wants to comply by paying the taxes. Honorable Prime Minister, the department is also hand-holding taxpayers and helping them to understand how to use pre-filled forms, and therefore it's not just introducing a transparent system, but also is helping the taxpayers to be able to understand and comply. Honorable Prime Minister, under your guidance, we also brought in the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, through which we wanted to bring in a closure to all the pending tax disputes. That has received a lot of good response from the taxpayers. Respective Prime Minister, the IT department has also taken up several measures to provide digital transaction and electronic modes of payments for the taxpayers. During the COVID pandemic, the department also provided relief to the taxpayers by extending statutory timelines for filing of returns. The department also has released the refunds which are due to the taxpayers in an expeditious manner. Lastly, Honorable Prime Minister, the officers and the staff of IT department, Income Tax Department, deserve our appreciation for their untiring efforts to bring reality to your vision. I would like to make a special mention to all the Income Tax Gazetted Officers Association members who this morning have sent a message to the Finance Secretary, a message of commitment, a message of their commitment to see that this vision of the Honorable Prime Minister is realized without any glitches. Thank you very much.
Safety first, Udayam best. Udayam face mask இப்போது குழந்தைகளுக்கும்.